In this video, we will learn about how to import users with User Meta Pro. At first, go to User Meta, Export and Import. Next, go to the User Import section. Here you can upload CSV files only. Note that, first row of CSV file will be treated as field's name, and fields will be separated by comma and enclosed with double quotation. Click Upload and select your desired CSV file. A user import box will appear in your screen like below. Select and customize what you need to import. You can choose Identify uniquely by email, username or by both options. Now, assign your CSV fields to WordPress fields. You can also edit MetaKey for custom field. You can also change user role if you wish. If you want to overwrite your existing users, check the Overwrite Existing Users. Check the Send Email to New User, to notify them by sending email respectively. Check Add Custom Field to Shared Fields, if they are not already added. When you are done, click Import, and your new users will be imported. To see your imported user, go to Users section from menu, and here you will find New Imported Users. This way, you can add new users simply by our Import User feature. Thank you for watching.